Welcome to this channel. In this tutorial, you will get learn how to create a simple fresh application and run on Deno JavaScript Runtime local server by following its official documentation. If you are new to this channel, subscribe this channel to get more tutorials. Let's get started. To create a fresh project, we must install Deno JavaScript Runtime on our system. So, browse this URL and follow the instruction to install Deno on your system. I am going to install Deno on Linux. So, copy this shell script command and then open a new terminal and paste this command. Now hit enter. You need to install curl before applying this command. Now apply this command again. It may take a while. Okay, now open bash rc file with any text editor. I am going to open this bash rc file using nano text editor. Now scroll down and go to bottom of this file. Add the path environment variable for Deno. Okay, now save this file and refresh the shell environment using this command source dot bash rc to apply the changes. Now verify the installation. Deno hyphen hyphen version. Okay, now create a new fresh project with this command. Copy this line. I'm going to store this project on desktop. Paste this command and here enter the name of this project. It may take a while. Type Y to use to wind. If you want to use Visual Studio Code, type Y. Okay, project has been created. Now navigate to the project root directory by cd. Now open this project in any text editor. My case, Visual Studio Code is preferred. Now search for an extension language server client for Deno and install this. This is the project structure. Here dev.ts file is development entry point of the project and main.ts file is production entry point of the project, and here fresh.gen.ts is the manifest file that contains information about routes and islands folders. Here routes and islands folder, and import underscore map.json file used to manage dependencies. Now I am going to start the development server using this command. It may take a while. Okay, the server is listening on this URL with port number 8000. That's it. Now I'm going to add a new route here by following its official documentation. I'm going to create about route create a new file inside routes, name it about.tsx, and copy this and paste here. Okay, now save this file and reload and navigate to this route about. That's it. If you like this video, like, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching this video.